Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the limited account or the limitation on the PayPal account. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search for the paypal.com and log into your account. There is the different method to solve this problem. I will give you the one. So first of all, log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see a more option just near the send and the request. You have to tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see go to the resolution center option. Tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will see go to the account limit option. Tap on it. Now you will see page like this. You have to upload your photo ID and then click on the resolve. And once you will you have to select a document type like national ID, passport, and browse files from here. And now click on the submit. Once PayPal will verify your ID card or the passport, your problem will be fixed. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.